This place is great. The coffee and food are amazing. This place should be packed. I wish more people knew about it.
Maybe they need better marketing.
Agreed. I actually saw they're hiring for a social media manager.
You should apply.
If I do, I'll need to think about what would make me stand out from other people applying.
Well, you know more about social media than anyone else I've met.
You're right. I have a good foundational knowledge. I know how to create campaigns and read analytics.
Exactly. You've also got an impressive portfolio and personal online brand.
Good point. These will definitely give me an edge during my interview. All right, I'm ready to apply today.
You know, I've been wondering, where did you learn all this?
Through the Digital Marketing and Social Media Management Diploma Program. It covered all the essentials like SEO, PPC advertising, content marketing, social media strategy, and analytics. The best part was definitely the 5-week practicum, which gave me actual work experience.
That sounds like a great program. I might have to look into that myself.
Check out our blog for a full step-by-step guide on how to become a social media manager. The link is in the description.